Hey Isaac, how you doing? Let's go ahead and take a look at your work. Okay, first composition. The first composition. There's no contrast in weight or scale, which we you don't have any at all, and all hierarchy should be based on grouping. Outstanding, perfect, excellent. Okay, second design. One new size, one new weight. There's your new weight. Then you've also added a new size there, which is fine. And then there's your new size. There's your new weight. Excellent, good job. Now we move into the third composition, and what we're asking for is multiple changes in scale and weight. Now, keep in mind these really need to make sense. These emphasis, it needs to make a lot of sense. Okay, so for example, placing emphasis on the subject makes perfect sense. Um, Placing type on the motor, the main motor type, that makes sense. But down here, you want to be careful. Is there a reason to place emphasis on horsepower as it was? So in other words, is this any more important than, let's say, this, for example? So you really want to place emphasis only where you want emphasis to be placed. So only where you really want the viewer to take a look and say, okay, that is more important than the other aspects. I'm going to give you some examples in a second that are really going to help your understanding this considerably. In the fourth composition, you want multiple weight, multiple scale. But in the image itself needs to be cropped, it needs to be black and white, and it needs to bleed in two places. Those are all in the assignment specifications. Also, watch your margin here. You're right on the margin there, so you want to preserve your margins. Um, but generally, I think it's a good start. I think you're showing a good understanding of both grid use and hierarchy. But what I want you to do now is I want you to go over to page 101. Excuse me. One-on-one in the textbook. This is just a wonderful. The chapter is visual hierarchy, so you want to go through the entire chapter. But page 101 shows this exact same assignment using different subject, but it shows you exactly how to create hierarchy based on grouping, placed on emphasis, placed on proximity, and emphasis. Two categories of emphasis based on size and weight. Okay, so definitely take a look at, you'll get some great ideas too on page 101. Review that before you resubmit, and I think it'll really, really reinforce your understanding. Okay, if you have any questions at all, please let me know. But I think it's a fantastic start. All right, great, thanks.